everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning 1965 Pontiac GTO. Gorgeous car, guys. It's got 1,700 miles on a complete nut and bolt frame-off restoration, fully documented in pictures, receipts. Gorgeous, gorgeous car, man. Finished around 2010, and I'm telling you, beautiful car. Factory Montero red. Car's all PHS documented. Factory red interior that's beautiful. Just a good, solid, straight body. You can see it's got the 15-inch Rally 2s with the BF Goodrich Silvertown radial redline tires. They've converted it to disc brakes on the front. This is a factory 389 4-barrel car that has been converted to a tri-power. It is a factory 4-speed car. So like I said, the only thing they changed is now it's got a tri-power underneath the hood. But beautiful car. I mean, really, not a whole lot you can really nitpick in it, guys. You can see it's got the original T3 headlights on it. Chrome and stainless is nice. Other than a few little touch-up marks. I saw a couple little things that you could wet sand maybe a little bit. There's a couple little lift marks that you could wet sand, but other than that, man, this car is just gorgeous. It's nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Turn the key, take it right to a car show. Love the red on red. Car runs and drives excellent. Beautiful, beautiful car, man. Like I said, all the chrome and stainless is super nice. Just gorgeous paint on this car. Whoever painted this did a beautiful job. I love the taillights in 65. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides. Got the correct GTO chrome tips. Little mark there in your bumper. That tail panel's gorgeous. Pretty car, guys. I love the Rally ones. Would have been a factory drum brake car. They've converted it to front disc. Look at that paint. Just slick as can be. Again, original 389 car. They've converted it to a tri-power car, but it's got all the correct GM carburetors on it, the chrome air cleaners and valve covers, factory intake and exhaust manifolds. It's got power steering, power front disc brakes, factory Muncie 4-speed manual trans. That is a pretty car, man. Bunch of new stuff hitting the website, guys. Almost all of it arrived today. So make sure you're keeping track of that website. We'll be posting pictures and videos, should be like crazy. Next 3 out of the 5 weeks, guys, I'm out of town. I'm going to be buying cars at car shows, hopefully. So make sure you're keeping track of that site. Should have a ton of new stuff coming. Door closed on us. See how nice that A-pillar chrome is. Chrome remote driver's mirror. Got little marks on your Door trim, door handles are new. And little door rubber pulled away. Love this interior. And again, this is a PHS documented red on red true GTO. The only thing that wouldn't be correct for the car is the tri-power. Bucket seats, console, beautiful. Factory sport wheel. It's got the rally dash in it with a tach. Gorgeous interior. Look how nice that steering wheel is. 1792 on the miles. Again, factory tach car, factory gauge car. He's put some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash there. AM radio. It's dual exhaust. Factory 10 bolt 323 safety track rear end. Yeah, there's just not a whole lot you can really pick at on this car, guys. This car is nice. Factory jack with spare. Again, this is all your, there's all the receipts in here for the restoration. And then like I say, there's your PHS. Bear with me here. You see the car, pictures of the restoration right off the frame. Pretty car, man. Super nice underneath. Got you some good pictures of the floors and stuff. Crack there in your door. You can always find something somewhere, man. Like I say, I can't even remember what I'm up to, 60 some hundred cars that I've sold. You can always find something somewhere. None of them are perfect. The dash pad is nice. Nice car, man. Really nice car. Yeah, they've had to replace that A-pillar chrome. Really nice. Choke works. Well, that's a pretty car. Ah, come on. There we go. Works. Are those gauges up there on, or are they using them down there? It looks like they're using them.
And then it did kick down.
Yeah. It's got the parking brake, Jordan. Yeah, it works. I think backup like that. Like I said, I think everything on this car worked. Turn signal still on, Jordan. Oh, they've converted it, so it's a FM converter. Blower motor works, guys. Oh, we gotta. I'll have them check that. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Man, is that nice. That's a pretty car, guys. Have a great day, guys.